Hey Jammers, Tigers here, and today, OMG, is Sir Gilbert's palace. That's so awesome. But I actually gotta be quiet because my mom's downstairs, and I don't know what she's doing, but I'm gonna be quiet so I can't really yell that much. But this is so exciting. Let me just do daily spin because I just logged in. So yeah, this random article first just saying thanks. So yeah, 3 diamonds. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, 4 diamonds. You know what that means? Being rich. Yeah. Okay, we need to put some of this on. Okay, skip that part. To be honest, that song is okay. Skip it. No. Alright, 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. Alright. Okay, so now it's done. So, this is one nice looking Wisteria moon, fox here. So, yeah. So yeah, let's get into it again. Let's pause that. So, yeah. Introducing Sir Gilbert's Palace, Jama's most royal den. Why is Sir Gilbert considered a king? It's because he's like the head of the alphas, probably. Anyways, Jama's most royal den. You know what that means, guys. All those fantasy castles and stuff, they would never compare to Sir Gilbert's, Sir Gilbert, Sir Gilbert. I can't say his name. Pick up this new den, and you can know what it's like to live like the regal tiger alpha. Oh, I already know what it is because I have tigers in my username. So yeah, I already know what that is like. So yeah. Okay. Let's read the rest of this issue. Okay. Rhinos have returned. Oh. Have you heard the great news, Jammers? Rhinos have returned to Jama and they are available for members for the low price of 1,000 gems. Weren't they diamond animals? I don't even know, but What are you waiting for? Become one of these incredible animals today. Well, guys, everyone's so excited. I have to say, guys, rhinos are quite hot. I mean, look at those eyes. Oh yeah, that arched back there though. Oh yeah. And those like tiny flopping ears on top of here. Yeah, that's hot. Anyways, fabulous because they're fabulous, but I can't buy them because I'm too poor. But I have diamonds. I don't really care. So hello, new jammer. Never mind. And I can't gift you anything because I don't have that much stuff, and you're not a member, sadly. So yeah, let's read everything else now. You and all your buddies are invited to the AJ birthday party, the best way to celebrate 6 years of Animal Jam. Woohoo! 6 years on Animal Jam. Woo! That is so much fun, guys. Oh yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Yay! Okay, so I got into AJHQ's then. It took kind of forever, and my article just moved without me clicking it, and yeah. So this is the Sir Gilbert's den. So let's put some snazzy music. All right. Let's go. Turn that down a little bit, and let's party. Happy birthday! Congrats AJQ for 6 years of Animal Jam. That's not how you spell HQ. HQ for 6 years of Animal Jam. Okay, Jammers, so we still gotta read more of it. And it's been only 6 minutes, which is still good. Okay, AJ birthday party. After that, I think it was a summer carnival. Something about the summer carnival. Something that it's ending, which is not good, because, you know. Use the AJ code birthday. Use the code AJ birthday 6 when you log into get a special birthday present. What do you think happens if you click on different areas around the cake? I don't know. We'll find out. A new Hearthstone. Lemurs! Oh! Lemurs! Lemurs. I'll call them limers because, you know. No. Yeah. Lemurs! I love lemurs. They're so cute. I can't wait till they come. In the wild, traveling llamas, but why? Llamas are the most swaggy animals in there. Yeah, okay. Animal Jam Toys. Okay, I've heard it. Alright, so let's go click around the cake. AJHQ is on? What? No way. No, they're not. Oh, she's asking, is AJHQ on? Where's the cake? Alright. Can't find the cake. Where is it? I can't find the cake, but anyways, it was AJ birthday 6. Okay, let me log out quick, and then I have to log back in, you know? Yeah. Alright, so I love tigers 6. And okay, and my password is private. That's not it. It's just the same password that I have in there, you know. Alright, so I put AJ birthday in. We'll see. Okay. Let's continue that, because okay, let's go. Promo gift. 6th birthday cake. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make a den with that. So yeah, when I get like, you know, enough gems or diamonds. So yeah, this was Tigers here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm sorry this is a pretty boring update video, but yeah. Today I might live stream my first live